Alisa Kassim is an American aspiring astronaut and space enthusiast who has gained public attention for her ambition to travel to Mars, including the possibility of embarking on a one-way mission. Here is a detailed overview of what is known about her, her goals, and the challenges of surviving on planet Mars. Background: Alisa Kassim was born in 2001 and developed an early passion for space exploration. She has been involved in various space-related programs and initiatives aimed at preparing for future human space travel. Education and training: she has pursued education in fields related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, otherwise known as STEM, to prepare herself for a career in space exploration. She has also undergone astronaut training programs, including simulated Mars mission. Public recognition: Kassim became widely known as one of the youngest individuals aspiring to be an astronaut and willing to participate in Mars colonization efforts, including potential one-way trips. Intention to travel to Mars on a one-way flight: Alisa has expressed a strong desire to be among the first humans to set foot on planet Mars. She views the one-way trip not as a sacrifice but as an opportunity to pioneer human presence on another planet. Mars colonization vision: her vision aligns with broader goals in the space community to establish permanent human colonies on planet Mars. Such missions are motivated by scientific discovery, the survival of humanity, and the expansion of human civilization beyond Earth. Challenges of a one-way mission: one-way trips to Mars eliminate the possibility of return, meaning pioneers must be prepared to live permanently on the planet and develop sustainable living systems. Surviving the Martian environment: Mars presents an extremely harsh and hostile environment for human survival. Here is how astronauts like Alisa would potentially survive there. 1. Atmosphere and pressure: Mars has a very thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with less than 1% of Earth's atmospheric pressure. Humans will need pressurized habitat and suits to survive outside. Temperature and extreme surface: temperature on Mars can range from about -125 degrees Celsius during winter at the poles to 20 degrees Celsius near the equator during summer days. Habitat models will be insulated and climate controlled. Radiation exposure: Mars lacks a global magnetic field and thick atmosphere, exposing the surface to high levels of cosmic radiation and solar flare. Protected habitat: radiation shielding using materials like water and underground living quarters will be necessary. Food and water: sustainable food production will be critical, involving hydroponic or other closed-loop agricultural systems within habitats. Water extraction could come from ice deposits beneath the surface or recycling system. Oxygen supply: oxygen will need to be generated through processes like electrolysis of water or chemical extraction from carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. Psychological and social factors: isolation, confinement, and distance from Earth require strong mental health support, training in social cohesion and communication system for connection with Earth. Alisa Kassim's roles and preparation: Alisa has engaged in analog Mars mission simulation on Earth, which mimic Martian conditions to train astronauts in living and working on isolation with limited resources. She is part of a new generation preparing for humanity's next giant leap in space exploration. Broader context: while unofficial one-way missions have been scheduled, by space agencies, yet private companies like SpaceX have expressed interest in Mars colonization, which might involve settlers going without immediate plan to return. The challenges are still immense, and technological advancements in life support, habitat construction, and safe travel need substantial development. In summary, Alisa Kazim is a dedicated young space enthusiast, aspiring astronaut who embodies the spirit of exploration and human presence, aiming for the ambitious goal of a one-way journey to Mars. Surviving there requires advanced technology, careful planning, and psychological resilience to face the harsh Martian environment. As a parent, would you allow your child to travel on a one-way ticket to planet Mars? Or as an adult, would you like to travel to planet Mars on a one-way trip? Tell us how you feel in the comment section. Kindly subscribe, like, follow, comment, and share.